His Grace, Most Reverend Dr. Alfred Adewale Martins, Archbishop of the Metropolitan See of Lagos, invite you to the Centenary Public Lecture and Award Ceremony as we celebrate the 100 years anniversary of Catholic Herald newspaper under the distinguished chairmanship of Senator Judge Akume, CON, Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Team: the Nigerian State, Transcending Challenges, Attaining True Nationhood. Guest of honor, Most Reverend Lucius Ugoji, Archbishop of Owerri and President, Catholic Bishops' Conference of Nigeria. Host Governor, His Excellency Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Governor, Lagos State. Chief Host, His Grace, Most Reverend Dr. Alfred Adewale Martins, Archbishop of the Metropolitan See of Lagos. Guest Speaker, Most Reverend Dr. Matthew Hassan Kuka, Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Sokoto. Panelists are Mr. Femi Falana San, Professor Mike Ozekome San, Professor Sir Chris Obeche, Hadiza Bala Usman, and Very Reverend Father Raymond Anolefo. Panel will be moderated by Mr. Liberus Oshoma. Dates: Saturday, October 5th, 2024. Time: 12 noon. Venue: The Hall, 16B Musa Yaradua Street, near Our Lady of Perpetual Help Catholic Church, Victoria Island, Lagos. The Catholic Herald Centenary Awards will be conferred on Mr. Femi Otedola, CON, and other distinguished personalities. For more inquiries, please call Very Reverend Father Anthony Godonu on 0806 057 2439 or Lady Netta Nwosu on 0802 305 1444. Come, celebrate with the Catholic Herald as we celebrate 100 years of evangelization through news reportage.